In this Figma tutorial, let's take a look at how you can align your text to the text box here in Figma. So if we have a piece of text out here, we can increase or decrease this text box and make adjustments to it. Now, what if we wanted it to be not top aligned, but maybe bottom aligned or middle aligned in this text box? To do that, we're going to go over here to the text panel, and we actually see alignment right here. So we can align it to the middle, and we can align it to the bottom of the text box. And so now as we begin to type here, the words and the lines of type will actually go bottom to top rather than top to bottom. And if you were in the middle, it actually goes the middle out. So it will go up and down while keeping itself in the middle. So if we select middle there, you'll see the text is kind of in the middle. If we select top, it bumps up to the top. And that's how you can align text to your text box here in Figma.